In this video, I'm going to build even more Skibidi Toilet characters in LEGO. Once again, you guys absolutely blew up the last video with a ton of comments and suggestions.
We need hurry up on the next part.
Please, the next Skibidi Toilet date.
So I decided to build 10 different characters this time, instead of only 5. The world of Skibidi Toilet is full of so many unique characters that I still need to build in LEGO, including Titan Speaker Man, the only Titan I still haven't built yet. It ended up looking amazing, so stick around to the end of the video, when I'm also going to tell you how you can win your choice of either a LEGO Cameraman or LEGO Skibidi Toilet. Let's get started. The first character I decided to build is an OG from some of the very first episodes, a Camera Strider.
I want you to make a spider cameraman.
Make LEGO Strider camera.
Please, can you do a Strider camera, please?
I studied the Camera Strider design and did my best to replicate every detail on the LEGO version. It ended up looking really accurate, and I'm super happy with it. Hey man, I'm filming a vlog, do you mind if I record you? Sure, whatever dude. Okay, bet, let me grab my camera. To go with the Camera Strider, I also built a Speaker Strider, like this. Now I have all 3 Strider variants, but the Strider Toilet from before is now looking a little small. So let's upgrade him too. I came up with yet another robotic leg design for the large Strider Toilet, and now we have the Strider Gang. After building a camera, speaker, and toilet character, let's do a large TV man. I've already built the large cameraman and speaker man in previous videos, so this one will be similar to those. The biggest difference is the head, which is a big TV screen with 4 smaller ones around it. I used window frame pieces to make the screens, and attached them with clips so they are posable. Just like that, the large TV man is complete. Speaking of TV men, you guys were pretty disappointed that mine were missing screens. I spent months looking for a sticker sheet that would work for their screens, and I finally found one. These stickers are actually from a Wonder Woman set, but they will be perfect for the TV screens. They are the perfect size for the Minecraft heads, and look just like the white static on real TV men. Next, I wanted to build one of the many crazy Skibidi Toilet variants. So I asked you guys to see which one you were most interested in. By far, the variant with the most votes was the Buzzsaw Strider Toilet. This thing looks crazy, with a buzzsaw, legs, a speaker, glasses, a camera, and a claw arm. To build it, I started with my Strider Toilet, then added all of the crazy additions to complete the Buzzsaw Strider. I don't know why this claw is so small, but I didn't design this thing. Overall, I think it turned out pretty accurate to the real thing. There are so many different kinds of Skibidi Toilets, so let me know which ones you'd like to see next. While we're on the topic of toilets, I decided to build a Mutant Toilet. This guy is a creepy mashup of a Skibidi Toilet and a large speaker man. So to build a Mutant Toilet in LEGO, I ripped the head off of my large speaker man and came up with a toilet design that would fit on his shoulders instead. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a tutorial on how to build the Mutant Toilet or any of the characters in this video. For the last 3 characters before I build Titan Speaker Man, I decided to build some of the Cameraman and Speaker Man variants. Here's the Simp Cameraman with a brown suit and rifle. Of course, I also had to give him his picture of TV Woman. And who knows, maybe someday they'll end up together. Thank you for dining with us. Will it be cash or card? I found the perfect torso to build the black speaker man, but I did have to commit an illegal building technique for the headphones. Lastly, I built the black camera woman. These all look great with the rest of the Alliance army. And now it's finally time to build my favorite Titan, Titan Speaker Man. After designing and building 2 other Titans, I've learned some tricks to make this guy both strong and posable. Building a character at this scale is really difficult because of how heavy it can get. I prototyped some new joint ideas digitally and ordered a bunch of parts, because I really want to make the Titan Speaker Man the best Titan I've ever built. After designing and building for hours, I finally have a complete Titan, and it looks incredible. This thing can be posed in so many different ways, and is actually pretty strong. I made sure to add Titan Speaker Man's upgrades. and also built Titan Cameraman's wings and guns for the legendary Battle of the Titans. Now that we have added 10 more characters to the Skibidi Toilet army, here's how you can win some free LEGO. To celebrate 50,000 subscribers, I'm giving away 1 Skibidi Toilet and 1 cameraman to 2 lucky winners. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, like this post, and comment either Skibidi or cameraman, depending on which one you want to win. Keep on building, and I'll see y'all in the next one.